the project for the day. The Bayou I got. It worked pretty good when we got it, but fuel system started leaking all over the floor. So I drained the rest of the gas out of it. So we got a carb rebuild kit. And filters. That's it. That is the rebuild kit. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Jet, the whole spiel. And we got a new shutoff thing, because this is the reason why I had to drain the gas out of it. That one shot. So, without further ado, let's see when we get done on the Algar's garage. I want to be riding this afternoon. So, hopefully everything goes okay. The gas tank's got a lot of stuff in it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll probably do that first. I'm just going to shove the pressure washer in and just nail it. See what we get out of it. And maybe we can take a video, see what's in there. What do you think? Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm trying to make you. But that is what we have to work with. Oh my word. Ooh. Oh wow. This could be more than just one day. That is really, really bad in there. Well, we'll get started tearing it apart. Without further ado, let's get cracking. So next on the agenda is we might as well see what we have underneath the seat. This is the worst part of the whole machine. The air filter, not too gooder. Found things in there we already don't like. That could be part of the reason why it doesn't run right. We got a Harley Davidson battery, which works pretty good. Thanks, Tommy. That is a problem. Filter's falling apart. Let's look it on Amazon, see what I can find there. This is supposed to be a filter. It is not filtering, obviously. That's next on the agenda. So, we'll find some tools and we'll get this tank off of here. This is the worst part of the whole machine. And then once the tank's out of the way, which I'm still trying to figure out why it's a metal fuel tank. I thought they were all plastic. Once I have a tank out of the way, then we'll go from there. Uh-oh. Nothing is 10 millimeter on this thing. We're going to take these plastics off first to get rid of, to get to all this. Plastics have to come off the back. We have electrical issues. We have to go find other sockets. Kid gave me this thing. Works pretty good for what it is. Buzz these two out. There we go. Voila. First part off. Then we'll find out what else makes this tick. Get this out of the way and we'll go from there. Oh, one down. That's one piece. Okay, almost have it. Those screws fly everywhere. Okay, now we get to see what holds the gas tank. Because this is not good. remember there's a screw down there somewhere. There's pieces falling everywhere. We need to get this off. Yeah. I see somebody else had their fingers in this too. Great. Yep, this is all loose. Apparently this mint machine is not so mint. I'm starting to find a lot of things wrong with it. I'm not like it. Apparently, I definitely was wrong. Somebody has definitely had this machine apart, because these are not original. None of them. Every one of these are different. This is an add-on. There was a cover that went here, but I don't recall what the cover is. She needs a little bit of love. But we'll get it straightened out. More shit fell out. Come on now. Whew. That gas tank, I can't even describe what that smells like, but it's not gooder. Why am I losing here? Interesting. Very careful. This plastic is very old. Come on. Now the front should come on. Okay, what's the trick to this? This has to be it right here. Okay, this is why we had to take all this apart. All metal gas tank that is extraordinarily horrible inside, and carburetor. So what do we have that holds the gas tank on? I do believe it's only one bolt. Where's the impact? Socket. We also got wheels for this thing too. Oh. This is the only machine I've ever seen. 12 millimeter. Most of them are 10. It's the only thing that holds the gas tank down at one bolt. So that should be easy enough. Remember, you're doing something like this, especially all these parts, so you have something to put the stuff in. Okay, it's gonna stay. Wow. Yeah, definitely needs a cleaning. This is what's ow. You feel all that dirt coming out of this tank. This tank is really, really bad. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. So this machine definitely won't be back together today. Comes the back. It's a neat little blue point gun. Okay, that's it for that. Look at that, it's all right out. Two down. Got it for that? Yep. That one's half stripped. Okay. Oh, yep, there's some more. So sneak attack. Stubborn little critter. Hardware. Why they have a rope in there? One more piece, and didn't realize I was going to be restoring the machine. Now that we got everything off, we're going to take this over and give it a good douching. See what we do with the gas tank. It's probably going to end part one. We'll show you when it's clean, maybe. We'll see. Let's. There we go. All good. Pressure washer stuff. Yep, it's not working. I can't do it better than this. I go down for the awesome. We're giving it the Austin treatment. Gonna leave that sit for a few minutes. We hit the bypass on purple power works too, but this works just as good. There, now we'll leave it sit for 10 minutes and pressure wash it off. Perfect.